Hello everybody. I can't tell you how excited I am to be doing this video because it's the first video I have created since moving all the way to Indiana from Oregon. So I'm really excited. I received my newest Craft with Heart box, which is the scrapbooking subscription from Close to My Heart. And I'm opening it while I am here with you. So if you've seen my videos before, this looks like a new box. It's a little bit bigger. And first, let's see. So I do the annual subscription, so I pay for the whole year up front. I get a pretty good discount by doing that. And I get 3 free prints with each 4-month subscription from Persnickety Prints. And I can order more and just pay for them extra, but I get 30 for free. And then each kit also comes with this cute little 5x7 decorative card that I have been using to display around my craft room and decorate. So you may remember this is the one from the last book. Before that it was this one, and this was the very first one. So I have all these cute little 5x7 decorative pieces to display in my craft room. So now here are the kits. And the way that this subscription works is there are 4 kits. That's one for each month. So we've got September, October, November, and December. And then I will get another shipment for the January, February, March, April. Now, you may know already that Close to My Heart is doing 2-month catalogs now instead of 4-month catalogs. So the November and December layouts are a sneak peek at the paper and embellishments that are going to come in the November-December layout or catalog. So I am going to start with a September kit. Now you can do this monthly. You pay a little bit more. It's still very reasonably priced. And you'll pay for shipping. And then you'll just get it each month. You can also get it every 4 months and pay for it every 4 months. There's a little bit of a discount. You're still paying for shipping. The best deal, if you can swing it, is the annual subscription. And I have been very happy with all of the kits I've gotten. Every month's kit comes with 3 page protectors, and each month's kit comes with 2 2-page layouts. So these are the 2 layouts for September, and they are always designed after the paper kits in the current Close to My Heart catalog. So this is using the Every Little Thing layout, which is a super adorable layout. And the card that came with it is kind of designed after that look. These are the colors in it. It's really beautiful flowers and butterflies and super, super cute. It introduces some new colors. This wisteria is a new color. The background is julep, which is our color of the year. Yeah, so these are the 2 layouts you'll create. And you get all of the photo placeholders, which I don't typically use because I put my photos on. But if you're not sure which photos you're going to use, or maybe you're going to give these as a gift, you can put the photo placeholders, and it says to place the photo here with the size so that you know what size to add. You get stickers, and they are clearly labeled. Layout 1 stickers and layout 2 stickers. So layout 1 stickers go on this layout 1, and layout 2 stickers go on this layout 2. Now typically what I do is I like to alter my layouts just a little bit to fit the photos that I have. So stay tuned for future videos on these kits. I will be doing the process videos, putting these layouts together. So those were the stickers, and then you'll also get die cuts. So these are all for layout 2. And you'll just punch them out. This whole sheet is for layout 1. So you'll just pop these out. And then you get the base pages. So this one goes like this. And so this little string, I don't know if the camera can catch that very well. That string is pre-printed on there. And so that's this layout here. So you're going to be gluing the banner on, but the string is already printed on there. You're going to be using the sticker for Celebrate and some of the background pieces. Some of these background pieces are already printed on there, but then you'll have a few other ones to get the dimensional look. You've got the watercolor look without having to watercolor. So I love these layouts because they're really fast to put together and they're really fun to put together. You feel so accomplished in such a short amount of time. Now I love doing watercoloring and doing all of the embellishments and picking and choosing paper and cutting it all myself too. But as I've mentioned before, this is how I view like bonus scrapbooking. I get a lot more layouts done in a shorter amount of time, and so I feel more accomplished with this kit. All right, so that was the September kit, and now let's take a look at October. Now October uses the Hawthorne paper as a guide, but each of these layouts are given such a different look. So these are the layouts that you're going to create. This one is more of a like sports themed layout. If you don't need sports, you can simply replace this all-star die cut with something that you might already have in your stash or some alphabets or something like that. And nearly everything else, with the exception of maybe this, but you could maybe just turn it over. It'll be white on the other side, or just cut a banner in a piece of cardstock that you have that coordinates, or a charcoal one. And this doesn't have to be sports related, but you can see that this mostly fall and sort of masculine themed paper pack is turned into a sports layout. And then it's given a more Thanksgiving, autumn, fall look in this layout. So two totally different looks with this kit. So with this one, we've got some die cuts already punched out for us. You've got the photo placeholders again. I forgot to put those ones with that kit. You've got your die cuts that you'll punch out yourself. These are the stickers, so you have a full 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. Even these bigger ones are stickers. So this is a sticker. So you could even, if you don't want to use this, use the sticker, but then also cover it. So you still have the black outline, but maybe cover it with a different color banner to go over it. And it'll give it a little bit of a layered look. All right, and then here are your base pages. So in the Hawthorne paper pack, this is all colored. This grayscale right here is all in colors, but they've given it a grayscale look for this layout, which is unique. And then here are the pre-printed base pages for that more Thanksgiving fall layout. So you've got some pretty fun watercolor look and sort of like a stenciled watercolor look background on both of these pages. And it's really fun, super cute. So that is the October kit using Hawthorne. You can also get the paper packs that coordinate with each of these kits separately. So you get the whole paper pack, you can get coordinating cardstock. You can, the paper packs come with sticker sheets now, with 12 by 12 sticker sheets. So you'll get stickers if you do order a full paper pack. There are some other embellishments available for each layout kit. So that the September-October coordinating paper packs and products are available now. The November-December will be available November 1st. All right, so we're getting a peek now at the November papers that are going to be coming out. So this is the gist of some of the papers that we will be seeing. And let's see, does it say? It doesn't tell us the kit name, so we don't even know what the kit name is gonna be. But I'm already loving it. I love the different looks that we're getting from the paper pack from each of these kits. I love the stickers and the bright colors, and it's just really super fun. So this is one of the new colors, I believe, Candy Apple. Is that right? Green Apple, sorry, Green Apple. Candy Apple is the red, and then Green Apple is this lighter green. And then this darker green is going to be Clover. All right, and then same deal with these. We've got a few extra die cut pieces here. We've got a full set of stickers on a 12 by 12 sheet. And then we've got the 12 by 12 sheet of die cuts labeled, so layout 1, layout 2, clearly divided so you know how to use them. This is what these pre-printed pages look like. So this is for this layout. You can change it to, if you want your layout to be like this, you can do that and, you know, alter it that way, and that would be cute too. There's so many ways that you can do this and make it your own and make it work for your photos and your style. I just really love these kits. And then look at this. Look at how fun that printed background is. I just love it. So some of the, so this is gonna be something, a sticker or a die cut that you put on top of it. As you can see here, a few of them are colored. So these are gonna be stickers or die cuts you're gonna lay on top to add a little bit of color to these black and white trees. So that is the November kit, which is only available if you order the annual or the 4-month scrapbook subscription to be able to get these Christmas layouts. And finally, we have the December kit, which is also Christmas. So it looks like the paper packs in the November-December catalog are going to be Christmas, unless this plaid is not necessarily a Christmas layout, and maybe these stripes or paper, and the stripes might not necessarily be Christmas paper. We've got black and white here. We've got a whitewashed wood. So it might be just the embellishments are for Christmas, and the paper pack for December isn't actually Christmas themed. I'm not sure. It could be, maybe not. But it certainly works for Christmas, whatever the theme is going to be. So again, you have your photo placeholders. We've got a bunch of the different die cuts that we're going to need. This is a sheet of stickers for layout 2, a sheet of stickers for layout 1 and layout 2, and then just these few die cuts for layout 1. We've got the pre-printed base pages. Let's see, they go like this. You've got your journaling lines already printed, which if you didn't want to journal here, you could just cover it up with a picture. So they've got 2 pictures going across like this. You could do like 2 vertical pictures. It totally depends if you want to journal or if you don't. This looks like it even could be Valentine, this paper, no matter what this kit is for, it might just be the mix-in paper pack. It could work for Valentine's Day too with these colors, because they're not necessarily just Christmas colors. This is amazing. Wow. I love that background wood paper. So let's take another look at this. Okay, so there's a line here to help guide you where the photo is going to be, so you know where to place all of these die cut and sticker leaves and ornaments. So that's nice to help you there. I really, really like the black and white houndstooth. I am a sucker for black and white, so I'm really excited if that's going to be a paper that's coming up I think I'm gonna need to buy a lot of this paper pack. So that is the December kit, and also only available right now if you order the 4-month or the annual scrapbook subscription kit, which is called Craft with Heart. It comes in this cute little box, and there's also a card making Craft with Heart kit as well that just launched on September 1st. So there's a card making and a scrapbooking one now. You can get more information at my blog, which is jamamalmi.com/scrapbooking. And I'll have lots more information about this subscription. And let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.